Hey, it's Brian Hagenhoff, just sharing something that Terry Childers taught me how to do in regards to if you use GoDaddy as your domain. This gives you the opportunity to create your party links without having to copy and paste the party links from your virtual office. So if you go to your GoDaddy, www.godaddy.com, log in, and then once your name is there, you'll go to My Products. Under there, under the domains, next to your domain, click DNS. And then you will scroll down to the bottom where it says forwarding. So you'll see there my domain that it is forwarding. And I'm going to add a subdomain. So I'm going to click add. The subdomain is going to be the name. So for this one, I have a mystery party going on right now. So I'm going to name it mystery. I'm going to come into my virtual office, click on open parties, and go to the party that you want, collect the party link just like you would normally be doing when we copy and paste this how many times during a party. So we're going to copy the party link. We're going to go back to the GoDaddy, and then over here I'm going to paste that name, that party link, and then I'm going to scroll back to the beginning of it just before that www, and I'm going to delete anything before that www. Okay, then change this to HTTPS, and then you're going to save it. So what this allows you to do is now here's your subdomains. So you will use whatever your subdomain name is. So like for this one, it's mystery. So if I go over here and type mystery dot, my website is toteswithbrianne.com, and that is going to bring you directly to the party link. So when you're putting, in a Facebook party, or you're sending this to your hostesses or whatever it may be, that is all you have to do now, is whatever you put as this subdomain name. So like for my monthly link that I always have a monthly link open on my website, I'm just calling it shop. So I can always post on my VIP page shop.toteswithbrianne.com instead of having to go into my virtual office each time and copying and pasting that. Isn't that amazing? Good luck!